So the house is from the entrance. Sorry. It's the fire starts here. Agoy, ang mga soft drinks. Tindahan nino. Dari. Oh, butot tanan soft drinks ay. Soft drinks. This house had a store, so one with these soft drinks. Hala dong, dili init diha dong. Kasi makatunog kag init. Nakay gitumban? Talon. I wanted to help, but there's nothing I can do. So, this house here. Oh my. And this is from the other side. So some of the owner of this houses, they sell already the roof tin, the metal, you know. And what they got is they gonna use it for food and expenses. This is how bad. Bugat na dong. Mga bakal, mga lansang. Hello, ay naman, ay. Init kayong tawon. Nang-scrap sila. I can feel them because when I was young also, I experienced like this. It's not easy being you know, being there under the sun. This is the house of my friend Lona's brother. Tagabaga pa eh.